Hey guys, so I'm here making some Little Caesars Crazy Puffs. I already started. I got pizza dough from Publix. I don't do pork, so I got turkey pepperoni, mozzarella cheese that I cut down smaller, and classical pizza sauce. So this is my process. You put 2 pepperoni in the bottom, put some cheese, take about a teaspoon of sauce. Now remember, you put the amount that you want. This is what I want. Then you want to add 2 pepperoni on top of the sauce. I'm definitely not paying $4 for 4 little tiny pieces. So this is my process of it. And it's simple and easy, guys. I mean, just like how they came up with it, you can do it too. Okay? And then the last one right here. And then the next step is to have a whole lot of cheese right on top. I'm gonna put this in the oven. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and now we're gonna go to the oven. And then I'm gonna bake this for about 10-15 minutes. Okay guys, it is all done. Those things came out so good. Wow. So I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit, and when they're cool enough for me to touch, I'll be back to show you what they look like inside. Hey, it saves me a lot of money, guys. Okay, so this is what they look like plated up. And now, here goes your Little Caesars.
You made this? Oh my goodness. That's so cool.
You enjoy, Mom.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna open it up so you can see what the inside looks like. And it's not that bad. Depending on how much cheese you want, the filling comes out really good. So definitely try this at home, okay? Saves you a lot of money. Bye.